paagi ma'am ikaw ragyoy nagkabaayo mo ani.
Thank you, madam.
Duwag yun mo sa suti ganong nalangay. Duwag yun mo sa suti ganong nalangay.
Mango out of that tree that you have planted. Magugma, rest assured, ang imong mayong binuhatan manifestation sa dako nimong gugma sa sukbo. May the good Lord shower you with all of His blessings. Thank you and God bless.
Sa mga katauhan, sa kanduman, we will forever be grateful to you, Madam President. Daghan kayo salamat.
Salamat.
Po niining Lugara that now links Mandaue and Metro Cebu with the youth and the northern towns of this island. And then kasing napapasalamat, Madam President. Thank you very much.
Salamat, Father.